Fixed assets are critical investments, from machinery and vehicles to IT infrastructure, that drive your business every day. But scattered data in spreadsheets and paper records leads to visibility loss, compliance risks, and reconciliation challenges. The question is your business managing assets strategically or simply tracking them after the fact? Manual depreciation, physical verification, and audit reconciliation often require excessive effort and are prone to errors. Finance teams struggle to verify supporting documents while complying with complex IFRS, GAAP, and lease accounting regulations. Introducing ERP2ALL's Fixed Assets module, a comprehensive solution to manage and optimize your assets' entire lifecycle. Create a centralized register with QR tracking for real-time monitoring across all your departments and branches. Automate depreciation and compliance with IFRS and GAAP, with entries posted directly to your general ledger. Protect your investments with integrated insurance tracking, maintenance alerts, and automated risk assessments. Gain total visibility with real-time dashboards for smarter capital management and future expenditure planning. No more chaos or compliance uncertainty, just stronger control and smarter management of every capital investment. Transform your asset management into a strategic advantage. Schedule your personalized ERP2ALL demonstration today.